How to add stickers and emojis in Vita. First of all, open the app on your device and create a new project or open an existing one. At the bottom editing menu, tap on the stickers option to access all available stickers and emojis. Browse through the collection and tap on the sticker or emoji you want to add. It will appear as a separate layer on your video, which you can resize, rotate, and move anywhere on the screen. You can adjust the duration of the sticker or emoji in the timeline so it appears only at a specific moment. Preview your video to ensure everything looks smooth and enhances your visuals effectively. Adding stickers and emojis is a fun and creative way to make your videos more engaging. Now you know how to add stickers and emojis in Vita. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.